For me, you were the prettiest image of a girl in a dreamy world and the beauty was beyond words.
यही कहूँगी कि किसी ने बताया नहीं.
मैं बता रही हूँ और मैं openly बता रही हूँ.
When you become a mom, right, your level of empathy goes to another level. Childhood trauma, whether it's mental health that we speak about, या single parenting that we speak about. I've had a miscarriage before Kavish, right?
You are setting up a benchmark for Kavish.
How do I not transfer this to my child? I mean, you have to make your child resilient. Only because you've seen an Instagram reel and somebody has told you to say, I am healthy, I am strong,
Yeah.
I am rich, I am
It doesn't
blah,
work like
right?
that. इंसान तभी उसे प्रोजेक्ट कर पाता है जब उसने खुद अंगार पर चलकर एक अपने लिए नई कहानी बनाई है.
I'm gonna have a luxury car and a big house. I've been there, done that, made it, lost it.
किसी ने बताया था कि मदरहुड की जर्नी इतनी ट्रांसफॉर्मेटिव होगी?
नहीं.
वाओ.
Yes.
अभी पता नहीं हमारी कॉन्वर्सेशन कौन सुन रहा होगा, बैठकर वो अपने आप को ये सोच रहा है कि दिस इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई नीड टुडे.
And everything starts with the mother.
किसी ने बताया नहीं द पेरेंटहुड जर्नी.
तो क्या करती थी?
प्लीज वेलकम शरद केलकर, सना खान, निशा रावल, कीथ, अमृता रायचंद, अली अस्कर, कुणाल पूजा.
तेजा मैं हूँ, मार्क इधर है.
I love children. मैं दीवानी हूँ बच्चों.
वाओ.
Make the woman feel special.
यही कहूँगी कि किसी ने बताया नहीं.
मैं बता रही हूँ और मैं ओपनली बता रही हूँ.
सच बोलूं मेरे अंदर आया, अल्लाह मुझे क्यों नहीं ट्विंस दिया आपने, मतलब व्हाई.
आज मैंने एक्चुअली लिटरली उसको ऐसे किया है.
Veda has to always remember I'm the best Masi on the planet.
छोटी रूपी पैदा कर दी मैंने.
घर की मुर्गी दाल बराबर
And then he
चक्कर है इन
keeps
सब के
them.
लिए.
Yeah,
मैं वैसे
and you're becoming a hotter and hotter daddy.
so different.
I mean, no, different नहीं यार, you are inspiring. इस सीजन में इनका होना तो बनता ही था. Hi my beautiful people, welcome back to a brand new episode of किसी ने बताया नहीं द पेरेंटहुड जर्नी. और हमारे साथ आज की गेस्ट जो है, well, I want to blush and I am blushing because I want to let you know that she was my girl crush when I saw her in this ब्यूटिफुल सॉन्ग चंदा की डोली में. और मैं तब से मतलब जब मैं इन्हें देखती थी ऑन स्क्रीन और वो जब गाना बार बार प्ले होता था तो मुझे लगता था कितनी सुंदर लड़की है यार, मतलब इतनी ड्रीमी. शी एक्चुअली मेड मी बिलीव दैट देयर इज अ ड्रीम लैंड. आई एम श्योर दैट यू हैव गेस्ड हु द गेस्ट टुडे इज एंड वी आर गोइंग टू शेयर हर इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी एंड हर एक्सपीरियंस. And as I mentioned, the girl crush I had here next to me is Nisha Raval. I'm very subtle with the introduction. मेरे दिल में ना बहुत टाइम से उछल रहा था कि यार मेरे को ये बताना है that how pretty I still find you, but for me you were the prettiest image of a girl in a dreamy world with that song चंदा की डोली में. और मैं ऐसे देखती थी, मतलब यार इतनी खूबसूरत है. एक तो गाना ही इतना सुंदर पिक्चराइज किया था एंड एट दैट पॉइंट इन टाइम योर फेस वेरी अनकन्वेंशनल एंड द ब्यूटी वाज बियॉन्ड वर्ड्स. लेट मी टेल यू
मैं
दिस.
यही कहूँगी कि किसी ने बताया नहीं.
मैं बता रही हूँ और मैं ओपनली बता रही हूँ that how
So
happy I
sweet.
am and I wanted to make sure that I say this to you.
Thank you, Rubina. You know what's most empowering is that in the beginning of a conversation, a woman is talking about a woman and she's not shy to compliment her. That makes a great start to this
Absolutely.
podcast. I really can't wait to dive in already.
yes. And मैंने जैसे कहा ना कि मुझे आपकी इंस्पिरेशनल स्टोरी जाननी है, क्योंकि क्या होता है ना, अब बिकॉज ऑफ सोशल मीडिया हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें एक दूसरे के बारे में जानते हैं. वी काइंड ऑफ नो ऑफ थिंग्स, बट आई हैव फाउंड यू एंड योर जर्नी वेरी इंस्पायरिंग. एंड विद द सन काविश, मुझे हमेशा वो लगता है ही इज़ अ क्यूट वर्जन ऑफ यू. एंड जिस तरीके के मैं कॉन्टेंट्स देखती हूँ, हाउ यू बोथ शेयर, यू नो हाउ you are instilling a great amount of value in your son. I really want my community to understand that how this journey began for you as a mother first.
So it's very beautiful, everything that you're saying, and I'm really glad that these questions are coming from a mother and a woman who's so empathetic, because when you become a mom, right, your level of empathy goes to another level completely.
Yeah, absolutely.
I mean, I think it's the biological changes that a woman goes through that humbles her. जब हम कहते हैं ना यार तुम कैसे कर लेती हो, सब लोग मुझे एक कॉमन सवाल पूछते हैं, how do you do it, right? It's got a lot to do with the way we are biologically engineered, right? And the way our social blueprint has been, the way we have seen mothers around us. मैंने अपनी आई थिंक इंस्पायरिंग जर्नी की शुरुआत अपनी मम्मा से इंस्पिरेशन लेके की है, बिकॉज मम्मा वॉज अ सिंगल पेरेंट, you know, and she also had a broken family. So I've been seeing all that generational trauma, you know, that has happened over the years. उसकी वजह से बहुत सारा resilience आ गया है मेरे अंदर. बहुत लोगों को लगता है कि इतनी ये strong है, इसका मतलब शायद इसे दर्द नहीं फील होता, शायद ये रोती नहीं होगी, शायद ये इसको क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है, मतलब ये तो अपने हीरोइन बन के निकल जाती है घर से, right? But I feel that requires a lot of everyday courage. Yes, just waking up and putting on your makeup and just driving that car sanely, or talking to a friend who probably needs you, or even posting the right kind of content on social media that will inspire others, you know. बहुत टाइम तक मैंने इस बारे में कुछ नहीं बोला, बिकॉज आई फेल्ट दैट जब आप एक जर्नी से गुजर रहे होते हो, यू आर जस्ट अब्जॉर्बिंग एवरीथिंग ना, आप समझ रहे हो आपके साथ क्या हो रहा है, आप खुद यू आर ट्राइंग टू फाइंड योर ग्राउंड, एंड देन इज व्हेन यू कैन इंस्पायर अदर्स. बट टुडे आई फील दैट already at this age and stage of life, my experience as a human, you know, has been so diverse, whether it's childhood trauma, whether it's mental health that we speak about, yeah, single parenting that we speak about. I've had a miscarriage before Kavish, right? So there is so much that has already happened that I feel I have become very enriched with experiences because I have taken it in the positive way.
Wow.
I know for a fact that I'm a package. Tomorrow, Lord forbid, something happens to my child or he needs me, I will give him advice basis my first hand experience, and nothing teaches you more than that. And I believe that it's just that what you see and how you see the world and how you want to take it with a pinch of salt. ये सही बोला है लोगों ने, हमें philosophy लगती है, but there is a lot of science and physics attached to it, you know, and of course the woman's biology that I was talking about. So it's just how you take things, you know. You have to be strong. Do you have an option?
No, I don't think so. We don't have.
Yes.
Wow.
So that's what I feel.
I'm looking forward for detailed conversation over this, क्योंकि इतने छोटे से सार में जो अभी आपने बताया अपने बारे में, I think you have so much of diverse experience कि आपके वो experience जो है ना, you are setting up a benchmark for Kavish to see कि my mother is such a strong woman, not by just idealizing something or, you know, putting out a philosophy out there, but I think जिस तरीके की ज़िंदगी that you have chosen for yourself and you are battling it with a beautiful face. By beauty I do not mean the parameters of vanity, I mean by the way you handle it. अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ी इंस्पिरेशन है. इस इंस्पिरेशन के पीछे ऑफ कोर्स यू हैव मेंशन्ड दैट, यू नो, आपकी मम्मा ने भी आपको सिंगल पेरेंट की तरह बड़ा किया है, and childhood traumas, that is again a very powerful topic to be discussed. आप मुझे बताओ कि जो आपके टाइम में with you and your mother you had an equation, what are the traumas that you would want to end with your generation and not pass it on to Kavish?
I think I've already been pretty successful in ending it. I like to be aware of what's happening and how we can solve it. I mean, you know, जब लोग इतना पूछते थे कि कैसे कैसे कैसे, right? तो you start internalizing everything. You actually ultimately वो कैमराज आपकी तरफ घूम जाते हैं, जिन कैमराज से आप दुनिया देख रहे हो, right? Where you're just projecting, and you start getting that feedback of your projection, and you start internalizing that. I'm like, you start reflecting, you start growing, you go in deeper, but not everybody has that. You know, not everybody will take it with a pinch of salt, like I was saying. You know, the way I have perceived the traumas that we're talking about बचपन के, and the way I have processed them, because ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे तकलीफ नहीं हुई or I didn't go the wrong way in terms of with my negative coping mechanisms, but thankfully I didn't slip away. I came back. I realized it. I looked deeper. I read books. You know, I spoke to people. When I grew up, then I met my therapist. I started understanding कि ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, या ऐसा हो रहा है तो, and not in a rhetorical way कि हे भगवान ये मेरे साथ ही होना था, not like that. In a curious way. मैं जानना चाहती थी कि ये क्यों हो रहा है, और अगर ये हो रहा है, is it happening because there is a generational trauma? Can we break it, like you rightly asked, right? And how is it that we can take active steps to break it? So I feel just the fact that you acknowledge that something like that has happened, the fact that you need to understand that maybe the way your mom responded to her traumas इन दैट टाइम जहाँ पर अवेयरनेस नहीं थी, शायद उनके पास ऐसा सपोर्ट सिस्टम नहीं था, जैसे इमोशनल सपोर्ट सिस्टम नहीं था, उनके पेरेंट्स का भी सपोर्ट सिस्टम नहीं था, बिकॉज शी हरसेल्फ वाज गोइंग थ्रू, लाइक आई सेड, इट्स अ विशियस साइकिल, यू नो. उनके भी पेरेंट्स, लाइक just to tell you exactly, before, you know, people think we're beating around the bush, so I'm a single parent, my mom was a single parent, my mom did not have her mom, and my Nanaji had remarried and he had his full blown family. You know, my dad had remarried and he had a separate family, so it was just going on until it happened with me just about 3 years ago. And I realized that I'm going to take things under control, and I'm not going to let my life just flow in front of me, right? Yes, there are times when I cry into the pillow. Yes, there are times when I don't feel like coming out of bed, right? There are times when I don't want to meet anybody and shut my door. But I just feel that it's a gift. It just cannot be possible. जब लोग कहते हैं कैसे कर रही हो, तो मुझे लगता है कि आधा भगवान जी कर रहे हैं और आधा हम कर रहे हैं. Like, you know, by trying to at least
writing your destiny with.
Yes, that's correct. Beautifully and rightly put. And you just have to acknowledge it, Rubina, कि ऐसा हो रहा है, और उसके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा पेशेंस की ज़रूरत है. बहुत ध्यान से आपको ऑब्जर्व करना होता है कि आपके आसपास हो क्या रहा है, स्पेशली तब जब आपके साथ इतना पेन से आप गुजर रहे हो. उस टाइम पे आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आता. योर लाइफ इज़ जस्ट अबाउट रिस्पॉन्डिंग टू द पेन. बट व्हेन यू एक्चुअली ऑब्जर्व दैट, oh, this pain has been generational and this has also happened before, right? And then how do we end this? Like, how do I not transfer this to my child? Like, everything that I'm going through, all the pain that I'm going through, how do I actually not let that affect him? I won't say it won't affect him at all, because that is a part of his journey too. वो भी अपनी कहानी लिख रहा है, and यही रेजिलियंस होता है, राइट? आज बिकॉज आई हैव गॉन थ्रू इट, तो हम रेजिलियंस की बात करें, तो उसका भी अपना एक रेजिलियंस है जो वो बनाएगा. बट किस तरीके से एक माँ उसे शील्डेड वे में, कि थोड़ा सा दो और फिर थोड़ा सा शील्ड कर लो, फिर थोड़ी सी, यू नो, दैट इज़ व्हाट वन हैज़ टू लर्न, दैट बैलेंस. अपने आप को संभालते हुए, उस ट्रॉमा को एंड करते हुए, दैट यू डोंट पास इट टू योर नेक्स्ट जनरेशन, एंड दैट यू आर एबल टू रेज हेल्दी ह्यूमन बींग्स हु आर मेंटली हेल्दी एंड कैन मेक देयर वर्ल्ड around them healthy, because हम तो नहीं रहेंगे कल. He's gonna be on his own, right? Those kind of thoughts eat me up too, because I don't have another child, I don't have a partner. Who is his family? My mother is obviously not going to be there with me or him forever. So those thoughts are there. So आप क्या करोगे ऐसे में? You have to make your child resilient. So for that, of course, physically resilient तो आपको बनाना ही है, but emotionally आपको बहुत resilient बनाना है उसे. Emotionally, you will have to, you know, stand with him, hold his hand, and have the courage to not just deal with yourself, but also with him. And that happens by setting an example, like you said.
Do you feel, now since you've mentioned this, I would take the liberty of asking this question. Do you feel कि क्योंकि you have lived these traumas in your own childhood, you've seen a broken family, you somewhere feared it not having with you, hence it manifested?
Okay, so this is a very complex topic, manifestation. Only because you've seen an Instagram reel and somebody has told you to say, I am healthy, I am strong,
yeah.
I am rich, I am
It doesn't
blah,
work like
right? It doesn't work like that. You have to believe in it on a deeper level. Sometimes people say it मुंह से, but दिल में उनके कुछ और चल रहा है.
You have to
I am
feel
rich
what you
बोल
say.
रहे हैं, but कह रहे हैं, but not really, because I have really like 2,000 rupees in my account. So you have to believe in it, and that belief comes when you make a journey. So no, I did not. I feel that I have changed my reality, because in this moment, I feel that I'm blessed. I'm talking to a friend in a comfortable space. We are here because there might be something about my life that must have inspired someone, and therefore we are here to make that positive impact. So this is what I manifested for myself. I feel this is my purpose. My purpose is to inspire, and I cannot inspire anybody if I don't go through pain, right? So that pain has manifested into power. I really don't judge my life with the kind of balance I have in my account, or if I've renewed my health insurance. Yeah, things have been messy, they have been messy in a lot of way, but I have to tell myself, I categorize them into two different parts: things that are in my control and things that are not. What is in my control? That today I could just get ready and come here and talk to a friend and decide to be positive. right? What's not in my control. I'm working hard, I'm waking up, I'm doing the right things, I'm listening to the right podcast, you know, making sure that my child does his homework, his class work, that जब उसके जूते छोटे हो जाए तो उसे टाइम पर वो दिला दो, उसकी फीस भर दो. I'm doing all of those things. I'm making sure that जब उसकी तबीयत खराब हो, take him to the doctor, take care of myself, take care of my mother, take care of my staff, right? That is in my control. And yes, things will always be shaken up. So this is one thing that I want to tell everybody, that there is no perfect moment. Firstly, you have to start now. And secondly, you have to build the resilience to face your challenges. That is what life is all about. It's never going to be like, लेकिन तुम्हारे लिए तो बोलना आसान है, तुम तो ये हो, तुम तो वो हो. आपको क्या पता मेरे अंदर क्या चल रहा है? अगर आपके दिल तक मेरे दिल से बात पहुंच रही है और कुछ मूवमेंट हो रहा है अंदर, तो वो बात सच्ची होगी. वो कहीं ना कहीं एक सच है जो किसी ऐसे इंसान से आ रहा है जिसने वो चैलेंज देखा है, you know.
Extremely powerful, yeah. I can sense that how you have changed the direction of the entire destiny for you. And I can sense it because इंसान तभी बोल पाता है जब उसने कुछ सीखा है उस लेसन से. इंसान तभी उसे प्रोजेक्ट कर पाता है जब उसने खुद उस अंगार पर चलकर एक अपने लिए नई कहानी बनाई है. How do you see your story ahead?
This journey right now that I'm going through is my destination, and I have found peace in that. So really there is no destination. What can I say? I'm gonna have a luxury car and a big house. I've been there, done that, Rubina. You know, I've been there, done that, made it, lost it, you know. And I feel that this is it. I don't really have that kind of craze. I mean, yeah, sure, materialistic things do give you pleasure and do bring joy, and they are very important. You know, in fact, your financial independence is more important than anything. Because to have some kind of sanity that आप अपनी गाड़ी में फ्यूल कैसे भरोगे या अपना हेयर ट्रीटमेंट कैसे करोगे, especially in our profession where people are, you know, used to looking in a certain way, right? And you are being judged about it. More than that, how do you feel? How do you judge yourself when you look at yourself in the mirror? So, you know, this is my journey, and my destination is to inspire people, and I finally feel that I found my purpose, because I used to feel that what's happening, and then I tapped on things that gave me joy. So I was always into, you know, rescuing of stray dogs and bringing a puppy home जिसका पैर टूट गया हो, you know, those kind of things, taking out their ticks, taking them to hospitals, and you know, all of those things. And then
You had kindness always with you.
yeah, I realized that, because you come to an age and stage where you realize what were the common denominators in your life, and which are those things that gave you joy. Right? How powerful you were financially when you were doing it. You were raising funds, you were going on those morchas, you know, and you were doing all of those things, right? That gave me joy. I have a smile on my face, and it's contagious, right? It touches people's hearts.
Absolutely.
So I've realized that may God just give me the strength to deal with my challenges. And that's it, and life goes on, and then before you know it, life has ended.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Wonderful. You have a lot to share, and you have a lot to inspire. That is my personal feeling. किसी ने बताया था कि मदरहुड की जर्नी इतनी ट्रांसफॉर्मेटिव होगी?
नहीं,
नहीं,
बिल्कुल नहीं.
खुद सीखा
है. ऑफ कोर्स एक माँ को देखा था जो आई थिंक वो भी सही कदम उठा रही थी. मम्मी और मैंने अपना 10th स्टैंडर्ड का एग्ज़ाम साथ में दिया था.
Wow.
यस, एंड वो 17 इयर्स की थी जब उनकी शादी हुई थी, एंड जब वो 18 इयर्स की थी तो मैं पैदा हो गई थी. तो उनको मैंने सारी पॉजिटिव चीज़ें करते हुए देखा है. एंड उस टाइम पे शायद उनके आसपास कोई नहीं था जो उन्हें बैठ के बता सके कि बेटा जब ज़िंदगी में ऐसा हो तो ऐसा करो, यू नो. और मुझे भी बताने वाला कोई नहीं था, पर मैंने देखा अपनी मॉम को ये करते हुए. She never really had the time to sit down and talk to me about this, because certain things you can't sit down and say. You have to show them.
Correct.
So नहीं बताया था किसी ने, and there were a lot of shocks. Especially suddenly you're a mother today, like you're pregnant today suddenly, and tomorrow you're not. You know, and those hormones are still inside of you, and there is so much. I feel biology is something that I keep emphasizing on, because it's real, right? When you feel those hot flashes and when your body changes and your bra size goes up like 3 times, and you're lactating and you have all that letdown reflex and your baby is crying and now you have another human outside your body who's going to poo and pee and cry and as
And you
it
have
is
to be
your-
constantly there.
you have to be constantly there to feed and then वो 30 ml on वो 50 ml and you're just juggling
oh
between
God, मेरे लिए तो बहुत fresh है ये.
yes so you can relate to it
Yeah,
and
yeah.
and all of that expressing milk and then if you're going to shoot you make sure that that's done. It is a lot and I have anxiety, right? I have clinical anxiety. I'm also clinically bipolar, so you will sometimes experience that I'm talking a lot and I might just go in a circle and then I have to come back, but it's clinical and I have self-regulated it in a way that I figured my correct coping mechanisms. So I'm not on medication, but I've learned the right things. I was at some point in time a few years ago. So it's a mood disorder, and I talk about it openly because there are people who've thrown stones on me saying that, oh, she's bipolar, and they made fun of it, right? At a point where, how do you say it? Like you romanticize these terms and then you feel that you can bring somebody else down by saying it as though it's a bad word. But
It isn't.
Yes.
And if you're aware of it, you are at a very powerful position.
Correct.
Because
And-
once you acknowledge it and once you know कि this is what I'm going through, I think battle is half won.
That is absolutely right. And not only that, but in addition to that, one has to take active steps every single day because you have to live with yourself. You have to live with your anxiety. So it's an everyday process. One should only have appreciation for people around us who are going through something like that. And one probably can't really empathize because they are not really going through it, because people say anxiety to sabko hoti hai, mood to sabki problem hai, but when you're going through something clinical, it's really major, right? It's really a lot. Like
बट मुझे लगता नहीं कि इतनी सेल्फ अवेयरनेस या इतनी सेल्फ एजुकेशन अभी तक मतलब पॉपुलेशन में है कि नहीं. इफ़ यू आर अवेयर ऑफ इट, इट्स अ ह्यूज थिंग. एंड आई हैव सीन पीपल इन माई लाइफ changing, having mood swings, and they are not aware of it. तो सबसे पहली जंग तो यही है कि आप are you aware of it or not?
करेक्ट. और अवेयर होना भी एक बहुत बड़ा माइलस्टोन है, बिकॉज
Yes,
लोग डर के मारे उस रास्ते चलते ही नहीं अवेयरनेस के कि कहीं हो गया सच तो, और होने के बाद
साथ
क्या?
में कोई छोड़ दे तो,
करेक्ट
किसी ने और उंगली उठा दी तो,
करेक्ट.
उसके
और
लिए
उठाते ही हैं
एग्जैक्टली.
because it's a very big taboo, it's a very big
Yeah.
you have to really break those stereotypes again.
Yeah.
Because people don't want to do that ना, because लोग अपने ज़िंदगी के रोज़ के हसल में ही लगे हुए हैं, राइट? वो अपने उससे ही नहीं उभर पा रहे, तो वो कहाँ मेंटल हेल्थ और इस स्पेस में जाएंगे? ऊपर से कोई टैग लग गया तो फिर तो गए, बिकॉज उनके आसपास के लोग आर गोइंग टू बी लाइक दैट, राइट? सो देयरफॉर आई फील दैट वी हैव दैट power when it comes to social media, people like you and me who have eyeballs and who can talk, whether it was through our work that we got into that space. So if we can, then we should, but it's no pressure because not everybody can. But try. If you can't really speak on a public forum, then at least speak to a friend or keep an eye out for something.
Inspire
like
one life.
that. Yes,
That's
absolutely.
it. Reach out to one. Forget about inspiration also.
Correct.
अगर आप किसी के लिए सिर्फ वो कान बन सकते हैं जहाँ that person wants to vent out, please be that person.
सही बात है.
Because we need each other. And I am telling you, I need people who would talk their experience.
Yes.
And I would not say कि मैं खुद कर सकती हूँ, मैं नहीं कर सकती हूँ.
Correct.
जब तक I will not have Nisha on the couch speaking to me about her experience, this all falls flat. And you talking and you speaking and you openly acknowledging कि आप में क्या कमियाँ थी, क्या कमियाँ हैं, किन प्रॉब्लम्स के साथ आप डील कर रहे हो, किन प्रॉब्लम्स को आप अचीव कर गए हो और यू हैव सक्सीडेड, इट इज़ हेल लॉट ऑफ एन इंस्पिरेशन. अभी पता नहीं हमारी कॉन्वर्सेशन कौन सुन रहा होगा, बैठकर वो अपने आप को ये सोच रहा है कि दिस इज़ एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई नीड टुडे.
That is right. And another thing that I want to add to what you're saying is that no one's coming. I recently made a video on it, right? And I told women that what are you waiting for? You think that कोई मुझे समझता नहीं, कोई मेरे लिए कुछ कर नहीं रहा, इन्होंने वो किया, and somebody has a partner who's cheating or whatever their problems are, in-laws and their health. But no one's coming, no? You have to step up your game. बिकॉज ऐसे अगर आपकी ज़िंदगी में वो 5-6 लोग हैं जो सारे ही आपके हिसाब से आपको तंग कर रहे हैं, तो अल्टीमेटली वो लोग कब तक रहेंगे? और जब तक आप उनको रखोगे अपनी ज़िंदगी में, तो क्या बहुत देर नहीं हो चुकी होगी. When you're in your 50s and in your 60s and that's when those people go away. You're dependent in every single way.
And that resentment is going to eat you for the rest of your
Yes,
life.
that
जितनी बच्ची
guilt.
कुछ 20-30 साल रहेंगे
Correct.
फिर.
Guilt, resentment. मैंने पहले क्यों नहीं किया? You will be cribbing, then you will make that environment toxic for your children, and they will not want you in front of them, right? Because it's probably that energy is contagious or spreading to their family or whatever it is.
And it's going to the other generation as
Yes,
well.
so that is what generational trauma is about, right? Because your coping mechanisms were so negative
Yeah.
that's what you taught, that's what your children learned, and when they are in a certain similar situation, they are having the same negative coping mechanisms because आपने और कुछ उनको दिखाया ही नहीं. So इसीलिए आज की दुनिया में तो जहाँ पर हमारे पास ये प्लेटफॉर्म्स है जो हमारे पेरेंट्स के पास नहीं थे, जहाँ पर वैसे ही घंटों में रील्स हम कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं, राइट? 2-3 घंटे बिफोर, यू नो, why don't we consciously start with detoxing our social media, following content like this that you are creating? किसी ने बताया नहीं, right? You're doing meaningful stuff, and everything starts with the mother. The mother's given birth to the whole world, right? So if a mother can get it right, her entire family, her children, the future, she uplifts everyone.
Absolutely.
So it's really important for a mother to be independent, to set examples. और examples वो नहीं होते हैं कि बस आप लगे हो गए किचन में झाड़ू पोछा कर रहे हो, सुबह से रात तक आप तैयार नहीं
फैमिली
हुए
को देख रहे हो,
Correct.
और अपना ख्याल ही नहीं रख रहे
अपना
हो.
ख्याल नहीं रख, जैसे आप सुबह गए थे वो नाइटी में, वैसे ही वो आपको रात को देख रहे हैं. फिर आप बोल रहे हो यार मैं ये कर रही हूँ, वो कर रही हूँ.
मुझे अप्रिसिएशन नहीं मिलता
But
है.
why are we glorifying hustle? Why can't you do chill out? Why don't you go for a shower? Why don't you do it? Why don't you step up? Because life is happening to you. You have to take charge of your life. You have to wake up one day and say, that is it. This is what is happening to me. Acknowledgement. This is my action plan. What am I going to do? क्योंकि इस acknowledgement में से वो कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जो मेरी ज़िंदगी में अच्छी हो रही है, जो मैं चाहती हूँ और हो. वो कौन से मेरे लॉस्ट ड्रीम्स हैं जो मैं छोड़ गई हूँ कहीं पर, और वो मैं क्यों नहीं कर सकती. और मेरा एक्शन प्लान क्या है टुवर्ड्स माई हैप्पीनेस. Because you are born alone. You will die alone. And that is so true, because your children will grow up, your partners will leave you, your parents will go away. The one person who will be by your side from being born until your last breath is you.
It's you with you.
Yes, तो ये जो गिल्ट होता है ये कैसे आता है? ये ऐसे ही आता है ना, क्योंकि आपने अपने आप पर कभी ध्यान ही नहीं दिया, तो आप ऐसे काम कर गए जो अब आपको पछतावा है उन काम करने का. That's guilt, right?
आई थिंक सेल्फ लव को ना लोगों ने बड़ा ही शैलो और नेगेटिव
Yes.
कॉनोटेशन दे दिया. सेल्फ लव मतलब आज पार्लर चले गए,
Yes.
आज बाल बना दिया, आज ये कर दिया. इट हैज़ सच अ डीप 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 कॉनोटेशन. और मेरे लिए मेरी लाइफ में सेल्फ लव केम एट अ वेरी लेट एज, क्योंकि हमें ना ये घर पे सिखाया नहीं जाता है और हम देखते नहीं और कभी कोई बताता नहीं है हमें. हमने कभी देखा नहीं. हमने अपनी मॉम को देखा है टू बी सेल्फलेस टू अ लेवल वेयर शी हैज़ ओनली given to an extent that she is empty and she feels that resentment कि यार मेरे लिए तो किसी ने कुछ किया नहीं, मेरे लिए तो कोई खड़ा नहीं हुआ. पर वो करते 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 वो कब अपने आप को भूल गई. हमने सिर्फ वही देखा, हमने सिर्फ वही सीखा. जिस दिन खुद को ये एहसास हुआ कि नहीं यार, अगर मैंने भी सब कुछ करके अपना खुद का ख्याल नहीं रखा, अपने खुद के लिए तवज्जो नहीं दिया, या अपने खुद को एक बार मुड़ कर नहीं देखा कि यार इज इट वॉट आई वॉन्टेड, am I respecting myself enough, am I taking care of my emotional and mental needs. I think वो किसी दूसरे के लिए करना ना करने के बराबर ही है.
That is true.
क्योंकि मैं सिर्फ आउट ऑफ एक्सपेक्टेशन या अंडर पीपल प्लीजिंग प्रेशर, या फिर मुझे बदले में क्या मिलेगा, मैं सिर्फ उस चक्कर में कर रही हूँ. टिल द टाइम माई कप इज़ नॉट फुल, I'll not be able to spread that joy and love or maybe share it with someone else. तो हम सेल्फ लव को इतना कम क्यों आंकते हैं?
We're all human beings. We're all women, men, and are LGBTQI++, right? But emotions, they're common. Gender no bar, right? So we know what is the spectrum of human emotions, and all our actions come from our emotions, unregulated, because we are suppressing them, so they bounce back.
I want to ask you, मेल फिगर की वो एक कमी या void आपकी ज़िंदगी में था हमेशा. Did you consciously, mindfully filled that space for yourself first, and you are trying to do that now for Kavish?
It's a beautiful question, because it's true. and I always felt a very strong sense of emotion every time I saw a little girl and a father. I had a lump in my throat. I'm talking about back in the day, right? When I was a teenager or until I was a teenager, I just couldn't bear the sight of it because I didn't know how to process my emotions because I missed my father. I missed him coming to my annual days or signing my calendar or being there for me on Father's Day or when other people would, be happy in their family and we have this wholesome picture of a family which has a mother, a father, a child, right? So yes, I have always missed it. So much so that when I was little, I had told myself that when I grow up, I will have this partner and then we're going to be living happily ever after, right? And I put so much importance to that thought. What happens in such a situation? Imagine the kind of expectation you have out of your relationships, right? Because you were waiting for decades for that person to come. So now you're thinking that he's literally that person who will come on a ghoda and you're a princess and it'll all just go away, right? But nothing's going away. It's beginning. But along the way, because of the way probably I'm engineered or whatever, I realized that your partner is not your therapist. So today when women come to me and tell me that, Nisha, but wo sunta nahi hai, wo ye kar raha hai, wo aise kar raha hai, but he's not there for me, but I'm, I want to watch a movie, but he wants to do this. I'm like, hello, he's not your therapist. The hormones have kind of subsided the initial years where, again, it's biological. We've been made like that. So we had those hormones releasing and so we were doing everything and talking till 5 a.m. and doing crazy stuff, and now you're not, they're subsided. You have to move on and grow and evolve. And I recently learned that every 6 to 7 years, a human being changes.
Absolutely.
Entirely. Like your personality changes, the things that you want changes. So he's not the same person you fell in love with. You fell in love with that person who he was 10 years ago and now he's not that anymore. So you're complaining. So you need to evolve and adapt too because you're not the same person too.
और आपको समझना पड़ेगा कि change is only constant.
Absolutely.
वो change आएगा ही आएगा.
Yeah.
So you will have to fall in love with the change.
Yes. So coming back to this point that yes, I've missed a father figure or a male figure in my life, and it was very special to me, and I did everything to kind of keep it together, But then I realized that I need to pick and choose. Now it's about my values. What is important to me? Having a certain gender in my life because I did not have it, or raising this little human in an environment that's toxic, not toxic, that's toxin free, is that important? I think that's my innate responsibility because I brought that child to the world, especially when you're single parenting the child. You have double the responsibility.
Absolutely.
So you have to be that male figure. He asks me, right? And I tell him that you have two mamas. When God doesn't give us one thing or our story is written like that, then you have two mamas. You have mama and mama's mama. And I'm your mama and I'm your dad. I tell him that. And then he takes it literally when he was younger. Now he's understood. He's like, no, you are not my dad, because he took it literally, right? But then I say, Kavish, you'll understand what I'm trying to tell you. And now he comes to me about 6 months ago and he says, you're my dad. And yes, I miss that too for him. But then do we really have everything in life? We don't, right? So we have to make the best out of whatever ingredients we have, and that's what I'm trying to do. And I've kept my doors of communication open for him. I've told him, Kavish, you want to anytime see your father's pictures, ask me questions about him, I'm here for you. We're not going to brush that conversation under the carpet. And I tell him stuff only in an age-appropriate way. He asks me questions and I say that certain things I will not be able to explain to you now, but all I can tell you is that I'm here for you, for your emotions, whatever you feel. And no one gets into trouble for telling the truth.
Thank you so much for being so unfiltered. I mean, your every line, your every sentence is piercing and touching the heart and soul. It has so much of transparency and purity, and I feel that. And I'm one of those people who are more of feelers and less of thinkers. Thank you so much. वैसे तो आपने हर चीज़ मतलब प्यार से और दिल से यहाँ पर शेयर की है. मेरा लास्ट सेगमेंट दिल से दिल तक है. कोई एक ऐसी सीख जो आपके माता पिता ने आपको दी है and you still follow it?
My mom says, always look into the eyes of the person when you talk.
Powerful.
Yes, and she's like, and if the person looks away, again in a contextual way, right, then there is something wrong. So always look into the eyes of a person and talk. You will know their truth.
कोई एक ऐसी सीख जो आप काविश को देना चाहते हैं?
I want to tell him to be kind, because it's a chain reaction, right? If I can give him the tool of kindness, then everything comes with it. Empathy comes with it, compassion comes with it, love and connection comes with it. So I want to empower him, and by making him understand that kindness is really important.
One positive change that you have seen after becoming a mother, a drastic change.
I have become more patient. I have become more patient because my patience is tested every day. And when
I
you-
am sure.
and when you're tested so much for something, then you get better at it or not. So I chose to get better, and most of us moms do. And patience is, yes, something that I really have learned from Kavish.
Anyone that you idolize in your life, और उनकी कोई एक ऐसी सीख जो आप काविश को देना चाहते हैं?
My mother, of course, because I don't think I've had any other figure like that. You know, of course, I've had family, but it was always my mother who was just there every day, doing so much, taking care of things, right? Bringing food to the table and making that food, as well as, you know, sending me to school. And she was always there for me, and silently, bina jataye. You know, she's not that mother who would say, "Oh, मैंने तुम्हें अपने कोख में 9 महीने रखा है," right? So she's like, her silence and her consistency in being so amazing really moves me.
Finally, I want you to take a long breath, close your eyes, and say something to your own self that you haven't said.
Okay. So, it is something that I have been telling myself now, so I will say that because I feel I'm going through it, and it also has happened within the last 3-4 months. It's one thing when people tell it to you, and another when you start applying it practically. I just want to tell myself that everything that you're going through, Nisha, right now is what you're going through. It does not define you. You're more powerful than this, and you're gonna survive this, and you're gonna fly out like a unicorn. Thank you. You brought tears to my eyes, and thank you, Rubina, for having me here today.
Thank you.
And for making such a beautiful thing out of your motherhood journey, because not everybody is able to do that. There are so many mothers, right, in this world who are looking up to you, your story, and the stories you're bringing to this podcast. So keep doing that. It's absolutely wonderful and selfless, and may you succeed in this.
May
completely.
you succeed in every endeavor that you tap on. And we had less time, but I wanted to understand about Meta Moms that you had mentioned.
Yes.
It's a very cool name. I'm sure you're doing quite valuable stuff there also. And I wish you all the luck. I wish you all the love. And I wish you all the strength. So thank you, Nisha. Thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you, Rubina.
I have a little token of appreciation for you. So this is a small token of appreciation. This token has a little gratitude jar, which we
Oh.
introduced this season.
Lovely.
Because मैं बहुत कोशिश करती हूँ कि मैं बैठकर अपनी 4 चीज़ें, 4 तो छोड़ो, 2 चीज़ें लिख सकूँ, which I am grateful to and I am not able to. So this is an intention of doing it कि मैं अगर सबको बोल रही हूँ, कह रही हूँ, मैं घर जाके खुद भी करने वाली हूँ. So this is a token of
Thank
appreciation.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you.
And thank you for doing this again.
Thank you.
So thank you, Nisha. Thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you, Rubina.
I have a little token of appreciation for you, which is not next to me, and I would like to kill my team, kill my team, kill my team. Wonderful, yeah. What a conversation.
Yes, I had so much fun
What a
too.
मतलब
Thank you for.
I'm amazed that ऐसे में इतनी अच्छी conversations आती हैं यार.